Hello all, this is a simple video tutorial to explain you how to book an Ola cab online through Ola app. If you're having Ola app installed already in your device, then it's fine. Otherwise, you have to go to the Google Play Store and download Ola app. Once the Ola app is downloaded, open the Ola app. If you're a new user, you have to register with few details like your email address, mobile number, name, password, etc. Once you register successfully, you can log in and use the Ola app with your mobile number and password. If you are already a registered user, you can log into your account by entering your mobile number and password. If the GPS is not turned on your device, you can turn it on so that the Ola app can check your current location automatically. In the bottom of the screen, availability of different cabs will be shown from the pickup location. For example, micro, mini, share, prime, auto, taxis for sure, rentals, outstations, or some of the cab options available for my location. And you can see some cabs are ready, which can be used for riding now. A few of the cab types are not available right now. Some cabs are available after some time. There is a menu button located on the top left corner of this app. There is an option available in that menu called rate card where you can check rates of different categories of cabs. Based on the rate cards, you can decide which one to choose for your cab ride. After selecting the cab, you can choose two options. One is ride later and another one is ride now. Choose ride now option if you want to book a cab as soon as possible. Book ride later if you are booking the cab for some time later. For example, if you are trying to book a cab in the morning for riding in the evening to catch a train, then use ride later option. If you are ready to travel right now, book through ride now button to get cab as early as possible. Sometimes you might not be able to book your desired category of cab if you are giving ride now button. In that case, you have to check the availability of other categories of cab. Before looking how to book a cab, let us see how to change your pickup location. If you have your GPS turned on, the Ola app can locate your current location automatically. But if you want pickup from a different location, then you have to click on the pickup from option where your correct location is shown. The pickup from option is available in the map. Once you click on it, you can enter and select a different pickup location. In the same way, drop location can also be changed anytime by clicking on drop at button in the map. Now, let us see how to book a cab using ride now option. Select the cab you want to choose. Click on ride now option. If the ride now option is not enabled, then it means that the cab is not available for immediate ride. In that case, you have to look for alternate options. If the cab is available, you will be proceeded to next screen once you click on the ride now option, where you have to enter the destination if not already selected. You will also be shown the rate card, ride estimate and apply coupon option along with a button for confirm booking. If you have any coupon to apply, click on the apply the coupon button and enter the coupon and click on apply. If you want, you can check the rate card and ride estimate. Click on confirm booking to confirm your cab. You will get an SMS from Ola Cab regarding your booking confirmation and other cab details. Now let us see how to book a cab using ride later option. Select the cab, click on ride later option. Select the date and time and click on done. You will be shown the rate card, ride estimate and apply coupon option along with a button for confirm booking. If you have any coupon, click on the apply the coupon button and enter the coupon and click on apply. If you want, you can see the rate card and ride estimate. Click on confirm booking to confirm the cab. You will get an SMS from Ola Cab regarding your booking confirmation and cab details. Thank you all.